In today's video we will see how to fix the Samsung TV no signal HDMI with PS5, input detection and HDCP setting fix. The fix 1. Check the HDMI cable and connection. Turn off both your Samsung TV and PS5. Disconnect the HDMI cable from both devices. Inspect the cable and HDMI port for dust or visible damage. Now reconnect the cable firmly to the HDMI output port on the PS5 and an HDMI in port on the Samsung TV. If available, use the original HDMI 2.1 cable included with your PS5. If the issue continues, try a different HDMI cable or another HDMI port on the TV. Fix 2. Select the correct HDMI input. Your TV must be set to the HDMI port where the PS5 is connected. Now turn on your Samsung TV. Now press the home or source button on the remote on the remote and then open the source. Now select the HDMI input connected to your PS5 and wait a few seconds to see if the PS5 display appear. Fix 3. Restart both the TV and PS5. So turn off the Samsung TV and the PS5, then unplug the both devices from the power outlet and wait for around 60 seconds. Now plug the TV back in and turn it on. Now plug in the PS5 and power it on and then check whether the TV detects the console. The fix 4. Boot the PS5 in safe mode. Turn off the PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button. Then release it after you hear the second beep, about 7 seconds. Then connect the DualSense controller with a USB cable, then press the PS button. Now select change video output and choose a lower resolution such as 1080p. Now restart the console normally and check if the picture appear. The fix 5. Update the TV and PS5 software. So update the Samsung TV. First, you can open the setting, go to support, then click on software update. Now select update now. Then update the PS5. So open the settings, then select system, then go to system software. Now choose system software update and settings and install any available update. Now the fix 6. Test the PS5 on another display. So connect the PS5 to another TV or monitor using the same HDMI cable. If the PS5 works on another display, the issue is likely with the Samsung TV or its HDMI port. Now if it still shows no signal, try another HDMI cable or contact PlayStation support as the PS5 HDMI port may require service. Goodbye and thanks for watching.